Today we are going to discuss on advanced data types. Okay, so here this hash is the single line comment. Okay, this is the single line comment. Okay, single line comment, it will not detect by the interpreter. Okay, single line comment. Beside to the code we write this single line comment, okay, for the sake of user understanding, but it will not be executed. Okay, right, here in this next multi-line comments, actually like this we can show. Okay, like this we can write multi-line comments. What you want you can write. Okay, you can write multi-line comments. Okay, here you can write what you want, you can write. Here you can write like this, or single quotes also. Here double quotes are used in single quotes also, or we can use like this also, or we can use like this also, no problem for single quotes. Okay, or we can use like this, either of our choice. This is the multi-line comment. It will not execute, it's not considered. This is multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. Okay, it will not be executed by the interpreter. Okay, here virtual machine, with the help of virtual machine interpreter will work. Virtual machine will raise the errors. Here programs will not compile, here only programs will be executed. Okay, so here now here we are going to see the advanced data types. Advanced data types. Advanced data types. Okay, advanced data types. Now we are going to see. Okay, you see here first one, list. Now we are going to see the list. Okay, so here you see here I will start the list. You see here L. Here case sensitive, we have to write in small letters only. Okay, here we can write L. Here list we can write different type of values, 7 comma 9.3, like that we can write. Okay, next 23, like that we can write the list. Okay, this is the list. Okay, here list is the collection of different type of elements. Okay, you see here if I want to display print L, then list will be displayed. Okay, next if I want to know the type, print type of L. What's the type of this L? List is enclosed in between square brackets. Okay, this is the list class. Okay, so here this is the list class. Okay, list data type. Okay, you see here if I want to double, okay, here you see print L of double time. If I want to display L star 2, repetition of 2 times that same list. Okay, you see here index values are, this is the 0th index, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In a similar way reverse index, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8. Okay, like that we can. If I want to know print L of 0, first index, you see here first value will be displayed. If I want to know last value, L of -1, what you want you can find the value based on index. All these are indices for list. Okay, if I want we can append also, L dot append 1 1 1 we can print L. You see here to my list, this is the my list. Okay, here this is my list. You see here this is my list ABC 7 9.3 23, but here I added 111. Okay, you see here, for example, if I want to, we can append means we can add the value. If I want to insert the element at the second position, okay, then we have to L dot insert. If I want at second position, if I want at second position 999 value, okay, we can insert value, print L. You see here ABC 7, okay, ABC, what's my list here? You see here this is my list. Okay, it's my list here. You see here ABC, I added 999 at second index 0 1 2. First index is 0, second one 1, next one 2. Okay, like that we can insert the value. We can insert at second index. First index is 0 na, 0 1 2. You see here 0 1, next place 999. Like that we can add. Okay, now I will create one more list. L is equal to, you see here 7 2 9 1. You see here my list name is, I will take another list. Like this we can create Z. Okay, my list name is Z. If I give Z dot sort, this list will be sorted out. Why? Because I have taken new list. In a list we can take integer and float values, but here in my list integer, float, string also there. That's why I have taken new list. For the sort function we have to take either all integer values or combination of integer and float also, no problem. Okay, Z dot sort, print Z. We can take integer or float for sorting. You see here 1 to 7 9. You can take here float values also, no problem. Okay, you see here Z dot reverse. Z dot reverse method, print Z list. You see here in reverse order I displayed. Here my elements are 1 to 7 9 in reverse order, 9 7 2 1 in reverse order we displayed by using reverse. Sort, insert function will work to insert at position at index. Okay, we can append also. Okay, we can print, we can multiple times we can display, and slice operator also here it will work. For example, print Z of, in my list 1 colon 3. That means first begin, the index is begin, end minus 1, 3 minus 1. Here 3 na, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2 na. So in my Z this is 0. So here 1. That means 2 will be displayed. 3 minus 1 2, only 2 value will be displayed. Okay, if I give 4, 4 minus 1 3. If I give 4, 4 minus 1 3. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. Okay, you see here what's my Z7291. Here beginning value first 1 means index 1 291 4 minus here one scope result one slice operator colon is called slice operator, colon is slice operator. Okay, like that we can so here duplicate values are also allowed. For example, in the Z7291 if I append same value also, you see here Z dot append in my list Z7291 I will give one more 1 Z dot append 1 print Z. You see here one double time it is displayed. So duplicate values are also allowed in this list. Duplicate values are allowed. Index is possible. Reverse index also possible. Append command is used to add values. Heterogeneous different type of values are also allowed. Slice operator will also work. So it is mutable. We can change the values. Okay. You see here if I want to give print Z of here, if I want to give Z of 0, can we change the value? 777 I will give print Z. You see here I replaced Z of 0 first index 777 value. What's my Z list 7291. At the beginning I replaced 777. Okay, so here we can change the values, mutable. We can sort, we can reverse, we can insert, we can append, we can find the length also. Okay, we can find print length of Z. We can find the length also. You see here Z length. You see here this is the Z list. Total how many values? 5 values. So length is 5. Like that. And one more is there, nested list. In a list we can have more than one list also. Okay, you see here P is equal to a string is enclosed in between single quote, double quote, triple quote, A, B, C, and one more list. In a list one more list, comma, string also, like this. Here you see, here double quotes I gave, here single quote I gave. Okay, here we have to give either single or double quote. Same pattern we have to give. You see here I have given double quote, here I have given single quote. So here I will give double quote. Okay, either single quote or double quote. If I give here single quote, here also single quote. Okay, then it will accept. You see here print P. You see here nested list. Okay, a list contains many lists. One list is included another list, that is called nested list. Okay, next tuple. Once you observe what we have done, in a list, single line comment, double line comment, length, list, multiple times, appending, inserting, sorting. Okay, once you observe all. Next, tuple. Here we are going to see, this is also one of the advanced data types. T, small t. Okay, t is equal to, here tuple. Here also we can give different type of values. ABC 7, 6, 8, 2.3. We can give different values. A tuple is enclosed in between parentheses. Okay, print t, tuple. You see here, print type of t. Type is tuple, advanced data type. Tuple is one of the advanced data types. We can add two. You see here, print, here slice also possible. Print 1:3. Slicing also. Here we have to give colon. I have given semicolon. Okay, so here print t colon. Colon is the slice operator. Colon. Then we will get. Okay, so 1, 3, end minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, na? You see here, what's my tuple? A, B, C. You see here, from 1 to 2. Okay, end minus 1 value. Okay, next we can add another also. Here remove, append will not work. Okay, here index also possible. Print t of 0. Index also possible. You see here, index. Here one more I will create. One more I will create, p. Okay, p is 1, 2, 3, comma rec. Here one more tuple I created. I am going to concatenate with plus. What's my tuple? T. T plus p. That means plus is the concatenation operator. You see, two lists are added. What's my T? ABC 7.768 2.3. Next p. I added these two tuples. Okay, so plus is the concatenation operator. Here we can multiple times also we can print p star 3. 3 times that p tuple will be displayed. You see here, p tuple displayed 3 times. Okay, na? P tuple is this one. 2 values are there. 3 times I displayed. 2 into 3, 6 values. Same repetition. Okay, star means repetition of values. How many you give, that many it will be displayed. Okay, next in the tuple print, you see here, t of 1 colon end. So end value I didn't give. So till end of the tuple the values will be displayed from the index 1 till the end. Okay, na? This is the syntax for the slice operator of the tuple. Next, dictionary. Dictionary is also one of the advanced data types. Dictionary, that means keyword is dict. We use keyword dict. Okay, here you see here dict, small letters, case sensitive. Dict is okay, left and right, it is enclosed in between left and right parenthesis. Empty list. Okay, empty dictionary. Okay, here you see here dict of 1. Dict of 1 is, this is 1. You see here print dict. You see here left side is the key value, right side is the value. After colon, that is the value, key and value. In these two parts are there. Left part is key, right part is value. Okay, you see here I will create one more. Okay, dict D is left curly brace 100 colon one more dictionary XYZ. Okay, XYZ comma 200. This 200 is the key value. Key values will not be repeated, unique values, key values, but values are, we can repeat. For 100 XYZ, 200 also we can write XYZ. Okay, or we can give different, but this 100 and 200, these values, key values should be different, unique. But whereas in the case of values, key and value, values can be repeated, no problem. But I will give another one. Okay, here I will give ABC. Syntax is key and value. Print D. You see here key, 100 is the key, XYZ is the value, 200 is the key, ABC is the value. So keys should be different, but values we can give same or different also. So here index also possible. Why? Because you see here we can insert the values. Okay, na? We can, but here duplicate keys are not valued, duplicate values are allowed. Okay, na? So this is the dictionary. So here the keyword is, reserved word is dict. Okay, next one more is there, that is set. Set is also one of the advanced data type. Okay, collection of small letters. S is left curly brace. Okay, 10, 20, 30. Okay, here you see here we can give duplicate values, but it will not allow. 10, 20, 30. I have given same values double time, but it will not allow. You see here, if I give print yes set, it is also one of the advanced data types. You see here I have given double time 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, but one time only it is accepted. So duplicate values are not accepted. Okay, we can find the length. Print length of, what's my set? Yes. Okay, length of yes. What length? One more parenthesis. Okay, 3 values are there, na? Length is 3. So length method will work here. Okay, we can add also. Okay, p dot add. Okay, p dot add XYZ. x, y, z. But here also set will be enclosed in left and right curly braces. P dot add, but here we have to add method. Add is the method. Okay, it's not a set. Okay, here add is a method. Okay, you see here now I am adding P dot add x, y, z. Okay, it's not taking string values. Okay, if I add, you see here what's my s, my name is, set name is s dot add xyz. We have to see, check correct name, s dot add xyz. I have given p, not p, s. My set name is s. You see here now it is working. Print yes, I added xyz to my set. You see 10, 20, xyz 30. Okay, next if I give s dot remove of 2, s dot remove, here element we have to, 2 is not there na, that's why 20 I am going to remove 20, or we can xyz, we can remove x, y, z as our wish. X, y, z I am going to remove. So print yes, you see here I removed. Remove function is working. Okay na? So which element I remove? S dot remove of xyz. We have to give correct value. Okay na? Next we can give empty set also. Okay, we can give here z is empty set also. Z is set. Print, this is empty set. Print what's z. You see here set. Okay na? If I want to add z dot add, if I want to add z dot add 78, print z. So here add function is working. You see here this is the empty set. Here I added, add function will work. Here append will not work. Okay na? Next one more is there. So here duplicate values not allowed, index not possible, no slicing, slicing will not work. Okay, next heterogeneous data type values not allowed. Okay, here allowed na, heterogeneous type values are allowed. Okay, so mutable, change, mutable is possible. Okay, next one more is there, that is a none. None is also one of the data types. Okay, here you see here x is none, x is none. Print, here capital X I have taken. Okay, we have to give small letter only. What is the error? Small x I have to give. X is none. That x should be case sensitive na, small we have to give. Print of x, it's a none only, none data type. Print spelling mistake, print, print of x, correct we have to give. You see here none, print of x means none. Okay na? You see here x is none, print x, we are printing. What's the x? X is none na? So none is displayed here. Okay, here I want to see what's the none type. Okay, none type is print type of where I have given none x, type of my x. You see this is the none type. None type is one data type. Okay. Next, in a similar way, we have bytes also. Bytes is also one of the advanced data types. Okay. Here I will give x is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. B is bytes of x. Okay, I converted that list into bytes to the B. Okay, B is the object. Now object will refer that print of B. You see here it is converted into bytes. Okay, X means hexa, O means octal, B means binary. It's converted into binary type. Print type. Which type this one? Type of B. You see here this is the bytes data type. Bytes. Print x of 0 index. You see what's the value? First one, 0th index is 1. Okay, that 1 is displayed. Okay, na? Here print reverse index B. What's that? X of -1 reverse index. You see here last one, last value. -1 means last value from the x. Okay, na? Right. Next, byte array. Byte array also one of the data types. Byte array. No space. Okay, now this is also one of the data types. Okay, you see here x is, now I will take y. Y is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, byte array I am checking. B is byte array. B is byte array of y. So that list is converted into byte array. Print B. Here B is the object. I assigned that to B object. Now B object will represent. You see here this is the byte array. It is converted into machine language byte. Okay. Next, what's the type of this data type? Print type of B. You see here it is byte array. Here I want to know print B of 0. You see here first value is 1. Okay, na? B of 0. Next, if I want to check reverse index also, print B of -1. You can take any object, not only B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, anything. Okay. So next one more is there, that is frozen set. It is also one of the data types. Frozen set. It is also one of the data types. Okay. Here S is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, S is a set. Fs is the object. You can take anything. Frozen set is the method. Frozen set of S. You see here print Fs. You see here, okay, displayed that list. Fs, if I want to add, fs dot add 40. You see here it's not taking that adding value. Fs dot add error, that means it is immutable, we cannot add the values. Mutable means we can add, we can change, but here it's not possible to add the value, so it is immutable. Immutable means value will not values will not be changed. Values will not be changed. Mutable means we can change the values. Okay, right. Next, so here one more other than advanced data types, here inbuilt functions are also there. Actually this inbuilt function will not come in data types, but just I am explaining casually. This is not advanced data type, only for the sake of your understanding I am explaining. If I want to know the address id of a, what's the address of a, if I want to know, this is the address of a. Okay, next here also for this we can know length of a, we can know the value of length. Okay, here also it will work. You see here int has no length, length will not work here. Okay, print type of a, which data type of a. Okay, integer data type. Okay, just it is casually, it is isolated from the data types. Okay, these are the data types. Okay, at the ending just casually I explained regarding the address of the a location in the memory, in the buffer, the 3 will be stored at the id, identification of that value. Address of the a is this address. Okay, for this length function will not work. Okay, like that we can check. If I want to know the type, what's the type? Int data type. Okay, without giving anything, okay, by default it will be considered as integer data type. Okay, so here it is dynamic programming language, that's why we need not to give anything before the a. Okay, right. Thank you for watching this. If you like it, please share and subscribe. One more is also there, that is range. Range also there, I forgot that range. Okay, for range you see here range is also one of the data types. Okay, range also there. With that advanced data types will be finished. Range is also one of the data types. In the range we have 3. You see here, first one, R is range of R is range of 3. Print R, it is also one of the advanced data types. Print R, you see range 0 to 3. Okay, if I give R is range of 0 comma 4, you see here, this is another second one. In the range we have 3 types, this is the second one. R is range of 0 comma 3. Next, for I in R, print I. You see here, this is the output. You see here, this is the begin value. The syntax is range of begin colon end. End means end -1 colon increment or decrement we can give. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, This is the syntax for range. Okay, you see here how we got this output for this R is range 0 comma 4. This program here 0 end minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, so here I value is 0, here up to 3, 0 less than or equal to 3, yes, 0. Next I will be incremented 1, 1 less than or equal to 3, 1. Okay, next I will be incremented 2, 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, 2 will be displayed. Next 3, 3 less than or equal to 3, yes, 3. Next 4, 4 less than or equal to 3, no. Okay, here my range is 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, na? Like that. Next one more is there for third one, for next one, for I in range 10 comma 15 comma 2. You see here starting value, I value is 0. Okay, print I in range, you see here, once again I will give for I in range of 10 comma 15 comma 2. Next at the end we have to give colon for I in range 10, you see 15 comma 2 colon. At the end we have to give colon for loops, for conditions. Okay, next print, after the loop we have to give some space, either 3 or 4 or 5, that is the indentation. If we won't maintain that space after the loop or condition, we will get indentation error. If I write one more next sentence, then save under P only we have to write. Okay, na? This is, you see here, under the condition I have given for the next line some space, a little space. If I give 3, for the next lines also 3. Okay, till loop ends we have to give same space for the next lines. So initial I value here, you see here I value is initial value 10, next 10, the 10 will be displayed. Next increment is 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Here end is 15, 15 minus 1, 14 only, up to 14 only. Okay, first 10 will be displayed. Next 10 plus 2, 12. 12 less than or equal to 14, yes, 12 will be displayed. Next 14, 14 less than or equal to 14, yes, 14. Next 14 will be displayed. Next 16, 16 less than or equal to 14, condition false. Okay, you see here 10, 12, 14 output. Okay, na? This is the output. Okay, from the I will be initial value is 10, next 10 will be displayed, next 2 will be incremented, 12, 12 less than or equal to 14, yes, end minus 1, begin end increment. Okay, 12 less than or equal to 14, 12. Next 14, 14 less than or equal to 14, yes. Next 16, 16 less than or equal to 14, condition false. Okay, these are okay. Next we can write in another way also, for I in range of 5, range of 5. At the end of this loop, colon. Okay, print I, print I. You see here what's the output. You see here I value, what's the value? 0. First initial value 0. Okay, 0, 0 less than or equal to 4, yes, 0 will be displayed. Next I will be incremented as 1, 1 less than or equal to 4. Here this is 5 minus 1, condition minus 1. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 4, 1. Next 2, I will be incremented 2. 2 less than or equal to 4, 2. Next 3. 3 less than or equal to 4, yes. Next 4. 4 less than or equal to 4, 4. Next 5 less than or equal to 4, condition false. Okay. These are the advanced data types. Okay. So here all these are the advanced data types. In our last class we discussed the basic data types. These are the advanced data types. Okay, advanced data types. What we have discussed in advanced data type, once you remind that advanced data types, here advanced data types are list, tuple, set, range, dictionary, bytes, byte array, frozen set. All these are advanced data types. Okay, basic data types are int, float, complex, none. All these are basic data types. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.